Hello viewers, today we will learn how to buy insurance in USA. Buying private health insurance. If your employer doesn't offer you health insurance as a part of an employee benefits program, you may be looking at purchasing your own health insurance through a private health insurance company. A premium is an amount of money an individual or business pays to an insurance company for coverage. Health insurance premiums are typically paid monthly. Employers who offer an employer sponsored health insurance plan typically covered part of the insurance premium. As you need to insure yourself, you will be paying the full cost of the premiums. It is common to be considered about how much it will cost to purchase health insurance for yourself. However, there are various options and prices available to you based on the level of coverage you need. When purchasing your own business, the process is more complicated than simply selecting a company plan and having the premium payments come straight out of your paycheck every month. Here are some tips to help guide you through the process of purchasing your own health insurance. Some Americans get insurance by enrolling in a group health insurance plan through their employers. Medicare provides health care coverage to seniors and the disabled. The Medicaid had covers for low income Americans. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 or older. Certain young people with disabilities and people with end stage renal disease may be qualified for Medicare. Medicaid is a public assistance health care program for low income Americans regardless of their age. If your company does not offer an employer's sponsored plan, and if you are not eligible for Medicare or Medicaid, individuals and families have the option of purchasing insurance policies directly from private insurance companies or through the health insurance marketplace. There are certain circumstances that make it more likely that you will be need to purchase your own health insurance plan. A young adult 26 year of age or older under the provision of the Affordable Care Act ACA of 2010, young people can be covered as independents by their parents' health insurance policy under their turn 26-year-old. After that, they must seek out of their insurance policy. Unemployed. If you lose your job, you may be eligible to maintain coverage through your employer's health insurance plan for a period of time through a program called the Consolidated Omnibus Budget Recognition Act. That's mean COBRA. COBRA allows eligible employees and their dependents the option to continue health insurance coverage at their own expenses. While coverage health through COBRA can be maintained for up to 36 months under certain circumstances, the cost of enrolling in COBRA is very high. This is because the formerly employed person pays the entire cost of the insurance. Typically, employers pay a portion of healthcare premiums on behalf of their employees. As a part of American Rescue Plan, the government will reimburse Cobra costs by 100%. It is taxpayer loss of job due to COVID-19. This subsidy will last from April 1, 2021 through September 30, 2021. The subsidy is tax free and will be paid in advance. A part-time employee. Part-time jobs rarely offer health benefits. A part-time job is any position that requires employees to work a lower number of hours than would be considered full-time by their employer, or 40 hours per week. If you work part-time, you usually must enroll in your own health insurance. Self-employed. A self-employed person may work as a freelancer or own a business. Some self-employed people can get health insurance through a spouse plan. If not, they must provide their own health insurance. A business owner who has employees. If you start a business and you have employees, then might be required to offer them health insurance. Even if it's not required, you might decide to offer health insurance in order to be a competitive employer that can attract qualified job candidates. In this situation, you will be required to purchase a business health insurance plan, also known as a group plan. Number 6. If you retire or your spouse parent retires. When you retire, you will likely no longer be eligible for employer-sponsored health insurance. If you are under 65 or not disabled, you will need to purchase individual private health insurance until you turn 65 and can apply for Medicare. Many retirees choose to purchase private Medigap or Medicare Advantage plan in addition to Medicare as a way of guaranteeing more comprehensive coverage. Some retired people may also decide to completely replace Medicare coverage with a private Medicare Advantage plan.